Good day, McVeigh. Happy Thursday. Good morning, boys and girls. Okay, so let's get to our Get Smart projects. Again, I'm going to do several each day because I have many, and I want to make sure that all of the projects get a shout out. So I have some addition and subtraction. One is from Holly McNamee, and one is from Naya. And again, so these are addition or subtraction sentences. And in addition to that, what you'll see is that they are labeled part, whole. Like I was saying yesterday, whenever I'm solving a problem, I like to think, do I have parts? Do I have a part? Do I have the whole? And that will usually help me to figure out what to do next. So you guys have a head start. Well done. And then we have a project on the Stegosaurus by Logan Wassey and Sebastian, as well as the Spinosaurus. And so we have some outstanding illustrations, by the way. Well done. I mean, I cannot draw like that for sure. But some cool facts. So, for example, did you know that a Stegosaurus has a brain that is the size of a lime or a lemon? So, of course, dinosaurs lived a long, long time ago. But when they look at fossils, they can figure out certain things about these very, very large mammals. What else? How about this? The Stegosaurus used to shed their spikes. So these are the spikes. See that? And shedding means that they would fall off. A relative of the Spinosaurus is the saltwater crocodile. And here's a clue. See that? Look at the mouth. Yep. Anyhow, some very cool facts about dinosaurs. And also from class 214 by Gigi and Emma is a chart with everybody's favorite snacks and lunches. For example, pizza, gummy worms, chocolate, and soda. And what they did was they created tally marks. So tally marks are these. Now, one thing you try to do when you do tally marks is when you get to 4, you put a slash across to equal 5, and it makes it easier to count. So if here I'd say 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'd put 5, and then I would be able to see very quickly 5, 4 more, 9. All right. So let's move on to our Wordle and mystery number. Okay, so yesterday for our kindergarten first graders, we worked on this letter. And I said, this letter, the sound this letter makes can also be made by a digraph. I'm not going to put that letter in. We'll find that out tomorrow. But the definition for this word, what it means, is to enjoy yourself. To do something that you like. Something that is exciting or makes you happy. We would call that activity blank. And this one, I'm not going to give you the word, so we know that there's another word inside this word. But the whole word together means to get stronger through effort and trying. All right, our mystery number. We know this number is greater than 5, less than 10. We know that this number has 5 letters. This number has another word inside of it. Listen carefully. Another word inside of it that means the opposite of what this number is. What? This number, if I wrote out the number, now most of you have narrowed this down. You have figured out that this number is one of 2 different numbers. It can only be 2 numbers because all the clues have eliminated the other numbers. So we know that it's this number or this number. Then we look at both words and we say, this word has another word inside of it that is the opposite. It means the opposite of what this number is. Let's see. All right. Now, tomorrow, friends, we are going to be practicing to be safe. We'll be working on getting into our secret hiding places and leaving the building like we've done before and practicing some other drills. And we have to be thinking all the time, what would I do? Where would I go? Where would I hide if I was, for example, in the bathroom and I had to get to my secret hiding places? Well, friends, what I would do is go inside the stall, stand up on the back so nobody could see my feet. I'd be hiding. Nobody would know I was in there. Super quiet, always, when we practice being in our secret hiding places. Or if I was in the hallway, you know what I would do? I would go inside the nearest door and get out of sight. Yep. Or if I was in the cafeteria, I'd go right in the kitchen. Yep. Super fast, super quiet. Always. Just like when we play hide and seek. Stay super quiet. All right, so we'll be practicing that tomorrow. And finally, it's time for our Mighty Kind Moment of the Day. We'll get our drum roll. Dun, dun, dun. So today's Mighty Kind Moment of the Day is a shout out to Sanan, who yesterday during the wellness walk spent most of the time working on doing something kind for somebody else. Thinking about other people. And that's what kindness is. It's always making sure that you're keeping other people in mind. And you can. Why? Because you're a mighty mind. Not only that, a mighty kind, mighty mind. And every day, boys and girls, it's a great day to get smart and be kind to both each other and the earth. Let's have a wonderful day.